It's your girl, Kimmy K504. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Kimmy K504. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Kimmy K504, and I am back with another video. And today, as y'all see from the title above it, I know y'all gonna be like, what the hell? So, I'm about to, I've been like on my vegan pescatarian shit lately. So I ain't been eating meat. It's almost 3 weeks. I might go back to eating meat. I don't know. I'm just trying it out just to see how I feel. If I feel like it's gonna be a difference to my health. And I don't know. If it's not gonna be a difference, I might try again in the future, but I don't know. But this what I'm doing today. So you're gonna need some mason jars. I'm doing 2 of these. And you're gonna need some walnuts because this is going to be like an overnight process. So I'm just starting recording and I'm gonna show y'all how to do the steps. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna soak the walnuts overnight to make walnut meat. That's what we gotta do. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do. So let me put this down. I'm recording off my phone because once again I forgot to charge my camera and it's been dead forever. I went on vacation in November and I still ain't charged it. That's sad. I've been recording on my phone. But I got 2 mason jars. And I got these walnuts. And I got a measuring cup. So what we need to do is I'm going to do like 1 cup of walnuts in each jar. So I got some water. Some spring water. I'm going to let this soak overnight. I'm just going to cook this stuff tomorrow, Monday, so I'm gonna cook this tomorrow. You know, I'm just gonna cook this tomorrow. Let's see if I gotta do. So what I'm gonna do is gonna pour it in here until the water reaches like to where the top, you're gonna have it reach where like when it's covering the walnuts, basically, like where the walnuts stopped at. So I'm gonna be filling it up to like right up in here. And then what it is, it's 8 o'clock at night. So you'll soak it for like 24 hours, whatever. I'm just gonna soak it overnight and then I'll just cook it whenever I feel like it the next day. You just keep it on your counter. That's what I'm doing. Just gonna keep this on the counter. Bam. And I just come back to y'all whenever I start cooking. So that's step 1 for this walnut meat recipe. All right, y'all, so it's been 24 hours since I've been having these walnuts soaked. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse these out and drain them, and then I'm gonna put them in a food processor to chop them down. But before I do that, I'm going to be adding some mushrooms, and then I have this half an onion, which is leftovers that I'm gonna use. And for the recipe, you're gonna need some pepper, salt, garlic. You're really supposed to do real garlic, but I don't really feel like doing that, cutting it up. It's a lot. It's got some soy sauce, ground cumin, chipotle chili powder, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. So that's the seasonings and everything you're going to need to cook everything together. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I open them up and I'm going to take them and I'm going to just rinse them off. Just like that. Kind of hard to come out. Make sure your walnuts is all nice and clean. Just do that. You just do all this for soaking it up. Now I have them in the Ninja, and I'm gonna go, you know, crumble them up. This in a bowl. To put it on the side, you guys. So I'm gonna put that in this little bowl right here. All right, our next thing is we're gonna do our mushrooms. So I'll be back to the mushrooms. Okay, y'all, and now I have the mushrooms in here. They've been washed. One day I'm going to invest in an expensive blender that blends really well. Better than what this is doing. So I just gotta use what I have. At least this blender is way better than the other one that I've been having, but you really gotta invest your money the right way. So, okay, let's see. I ain't gonna pressure you no more. I'm just not. Oh shit. Oh damn! I blended up too much. It is puree. Ugh. I don't know if I want to use this. I fucked up. This mushrooms is like a mushroom sauce. This shit is just an epic fail. I was not thinking that it was gonna get like this. We not gonna do this video. Alright, so this ain't happening. It's my second time making this. I fucked up. This is the mushroom. So we're just gonna put this in there. We're just gonna do it. I mean, we're gonna wing it. I mean, you know. It is what it is. But this gonna be, we gonna call this the fat. Don't blend up your mushrooms. Your mushrooms supposed to look like those walnuts. The first time when I opened up those mushrooms, we're supposed to keep it like that. But I didn't realize that it was gonna do that. So we're gonna consider this for as like, okay, we're gonna pretend, I would say. We're gonna pretend that this is the fat. And that's the ground turkey / beef. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna pretend or whatever. But it looks nasty. But it's gonna all work out itself. You know, it's gonna come together. So I put the half an onion in there. So it's gonna chop that because I don't feel like cutting it. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, Lord, I didn't think all this is going to come out like this. I'm just making a mess. So first we're going to take some avocado oil and put it in a pan. Well, the skillets, you know. Make sure it's coated. You know, good bit of oil. You know, like that. Super avocado oil. It ain't gonna make you gain weight or get, you know, fat. You're gonna be good to go. Because we're gonna cook all that together. So now we're gonna let that heat up for a minute while I get this onions together. So I'm just gonna take it. It's gonna be mixed with all the other stuff, so that's okay. I mean, it's all going the same way. So I just put it in the same blender. So I'm just gonna keep it down like this. Yeah, so my mushrooms look like a whole puree around here, and that wasn't my intention to get it to look like that. It's supposed to be looking like the walnuts, because we're making walnut meats, aka like the alternative plant-based to ground meats. This not gonna take long to heat up, but I'm going to mind it not being heated while I put my onions in there. Gonna put this all in here. It ain't hot, but it's gonna get hot in a second. It's a lot of oil, but it's gonna get sucked in once I add that. So you just gotta saute your onions down. It looks nasty, but hey, that's just some healthy shit, y'all. But it tastes good. It looks weird. You know? So, giving y'all some healthy stuff. So I'm gonna add, that's a half a teaspoon because I'm low. So basically it's gonna add like a teaspoon, a tablespoon of garlic. So I'm just trying to like put it, ain't that much in here because I've been using my garlic. I got fresh garlic. I would recommend use that. It's better, but I'm just being lazy and stuff. So, let me close my door. Oh, smelling good. Give me that onion and garlicky taste. You know. You cook it down and not take long at all. Now we're gonna go ahead on and add the meat. Let me tell y'all, the trick to anything that's like healthy is the season. If you got it seasoned right, it's gonna be tasting really good. Now remember, this is walnut meat. It looks very weird. It looks nasty. But if you try this out, I guarantee you once I add all my stuff, it's gonna be like so good. And see, all the oil is recommended for it. You know, it's gonna get brown and everything. So that's just how it's gonna do it. So then I'm gonna add some soy sauce. So I'm gonna measure it out. Let me see. So I'm gonna do like 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I just measured it. Well, half of 1/4. Let's see. Cause last time I did not measure. I just was pouring in here just to give it flavor. Yeah, I don't think I need a half a cup. A half of 1/4 cup. So I just use half. That brings out that color and that taste. Yeah, I just need a half. Yes, half a cup. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead on and add the seasoning. I'm going to turn this down to 5. So I'm going to add some garlic, some onion. I do not measure, as you can see. Now this stuff you got to use a little bit, because this shit is hot. Chipotle chili pepper. I'm going to do some paprika. Okay, that's a little 1-2 with it. And so I'm just gonna mix that up. It's not like it's not dry. It's not gonna taste dry neither because of the stuff. Then I'm gonna add the cumin. So basically, it's gonna be like my taco. Gonna be like for tacos. And then I'm gonna do some salt. And I'm gonna do some pepper. This is some healthy stuff. Smelling like, some tacos. You see, it's coming together. Don't it look like ground turkey or something? Like, to say it's like walnut meat. So I'm just giving you them vibes. And it's like, oh shit. And it's like thick. It reminds me of like a pork sausage. That's the consistency that it's giving me. No lie, like to say it's like this. It's giving me like a soft meat texture to say that the mushrooms was like puree, you know. So let's taste this. Get a spoon out. Oh Lord, my hair look all over my head, y'all. Alright, so let me taste. Let me turn it down. It's about to hold this. I know it's hot. Tastes how it was when I first made it. It's so good. And it's good to go. People gonna be like, oh, it's weird. But the vegans know what's up, you know. If I had fresh garlic, well, I had fresh garlic. If I would have chopped that up, I would have used that. And then soy sauce is not like, if you into like good ingredients, then it got alternatives to soy sauce. I don't have it, but I'm using what I have. So, I gotta put this back in here. Shit, I don't think that's gonna work. Oh my God, it's shaking. Alright. And that is done, you guys. So, the walnut taco meat is complete. And I'll be back to show y'all, you know, what I'm gonna do with it. I'll be right back. Alright, so when I did the taco meat, the walnut meat before, I had ate it with like some vegetables and stuff like that. I just ate it like as a meat, because sometimes when I used to eat like, not just for ground meat, when I did like ground turkey or whatever, like I would just eat that on the side with a vegetable. That's why I did. But this time I got me some nachos. Don't that look good? It look like it's like beef with a little beans, or it's like ground turkey with some cheese and some sauce on there. Like, it's really good. So that's some vegan cheese on there. But the vegan cheese that I have, it takes a while for your cheese to melt. So you have to be like extra hot. It's really good. So yep, that's how you make meat, walnut meat. So thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Bye. See y'all in another video.